Shalom, this is Yehudit from Sivan, and I now am in Vermont, Shelburne Bay. I want to share with you the last day of the level of Tiferet of my 40-day count of blessings between Shavuot and the 17th of Tammuz. It's the final letter of the word Bracha at the level of Tiferet, of balance and harmony and beauty. It's the Hay, and in terms of the worlds and the level of soul, it's the Nefesh, and vitality and aliveness, and it's the world of Asiya, of doing, of action, of manifestation. It's also the Hay has associations. One association, particularly that I use sometimes in terms of color, is the Hay is the letter of the month of Nisan, which is the first month of the Hebrew calendar, and some people associate it with Hesed because of that, and it's the getting out of Egypt as a loving kindness of Hashem bringing us out of Egypt. So I'm wearing kind of interesting colors today. This is a gift from my sister-in-law, all the colors, and I figured for Malchut it like collects all the colors from above and then brings it into manifestation. And on the rainbow system, brown is the color. So I have a brown blouse underneath, and in the Zohar it's blue, so I have a blue with my yellow top. Yellow and purple and green are all colors associated with Tiferet, different systems. So that's kind of the colors. The letter, the Cholam, is the vowel for Tiferet. So let me go ahead and show you the movements. So the Hay is stepping back. We'll do the simple Hay, coming up and pointing the toe underneath the knee. And the hands, the tip of the hands ideally are about where your knee is, and you want to extend your knee out to make the Hay. So the Hay has a horizontal, a vertical, and this little bottom, the foot of the Hay. And then when you step forward, it's like stepping up to a window. You're coming back and pointing and coming forward. If you do it on the other foot, same thing. Back, and the hands come up as your weight goes back, and you point the toe, come forward, and back, and come forward. The Cholam is a vav with a dot on top. So I step to the side to have my feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, bring the dot up above the head, and open out. Facing you, it's you step back a little bit so you can see it. So there's a sense of higher perspective, aligning yourself for harmony and beauty and balance. Seen from a higher perspective helps. There's also a sense of radiance, of spreading out beauty, and of having Hashem surround me as well as being in alignment. A lot of these different associations. So let's do the pattern through the 10 levels from Ketcher, Chachma, Bina, Hesed, Gevurah, Tiferet, Netzach, Hod, Yesod, and Malchut. Up 10 times the combination of Hay with the Cholam for finishing off 4 parts of the 6th level, coming down from Ketcher, bringing our blessings down from the revelation of Shavuos into manifestation in our lives, noticing how things are in balance or out of balance, or what kind of balancing we need to do in our lives between between what the person might personally need to be doing in the level of manifestation, and what needs to be done from outside forces or outside people or in terms of other people. So that's a real major balancing action that we take daily each time we make a decision. So I'm going to step back starting on the left, the palms coming up. I go back, and then pointing my toe, and then coming down, and I'm going to cross over to the right for the Cholam. Oh. Then for Chokmah, starting on the right, going back. And this time I'm going to cross over for all of them. Oh. Starting on the left for Bina. Oh. Starting on the right for Hesed. Starting on the left, Gevurah. Starting on the right, Tiferet. To the left, Netzach. Now to the right where Netzach is. Oh. Starting on the right for Hod. And ending up on the left where Hod is. Starting on the left for Yesod. Crossing over. And finally, going back on the right for Malchut. Of receiving Hashem's breath, being breathed by Hashem and bringing the energies we just combined and awakened, and bringing it all the way through from our crown, all the way to our feet. So may we be blessed today as we notice how we manifest or don't manifest balance in our lives and harmony as we seek to bring the blessings to others and to ourselves of living a harmonious life aligned with Hashem's will in a way that keeps us healthy and joyous in this incredible life of being channels for and being vessels for Hashem's energy to manifest. All the blessings to you.